welcome to taste.com.au, and we are here with 20-minute dinners and with Matt Preston.
This is a simple twist on Caesar salad. We're going to serve it in a lettuce cup like choy bao, and we're going to use barbecued roast chicken so you can get this Caesar salad on the table in under 20 minutes. So there's going to be something pretty you're going to put on this. What are you going to do?
I thought, let's put some Parmesan crisps on this, and all you need is just shredded Parmesan, that's it. So just finely grate that and pop it onto a tray. So just pop them straight into the oven, and that's as simple as it gets. They cook in 6 minutes at 180 degrees and forced.
A Caesar salad sauce has to have anchovies in it. We're using some whole egg mayonnaise, and into that we're putting 3 anchovies, a little bit of Parmesan, and then our secret ingredient, this is effectively yum yum. It is almost the definition of umami, so about 6 drops of that, a little bit of salt but not too much, and then in with our shredded chicken. And we're just going to toss that to cover.
So while you do that, I'm just going to now make a little bit of a crispy, crunchy, salady topping.
Great.
So I've got some celery.
And finely shredded spring onions, they're absolutely your friend when you're trying to make 20-minute dinners.
And we're just going to mix those two together. And then we've got some avocado here. So we just pop that into a bowl as well. And some lemon, so I'm just going to squeeze that on just a little bit. There we go, just to dress that. And I reckon it's time to fill our lettuce cups. So pop in some chicken, pop the little bit of avocado on top. And then we've got to get our Parmesan crisps. Here we go, Matt.
Are you going to cut that, or are you going to
No,
break it up?
I just really like breaking it.
So normally you'd put shaved Parmesan in your Caesar salad, wouldn't you?
Yes.
That's kind of the classic way of doing it. What I love about these is I love that combination of the creaminess of the chicken in the Caesar dressing and the crunch of the lettuce. Amazing, Michelle. Caesar salad in a lettuce cup like choy bao with a Parmesan crisp. Delicious.
That's right, and for this recipe and more 20-minute dinners, go to taste.com.au.